Boom! What's the opposite of hot? If you said cool, almost. So let's fix that. Opposites. Words that are completely different. I mean, hot versus cold. Happy versus sad. Slow versus fast. Now let's see these examples. This is cold. I am sad. But now I'm happy. Haha. He walks like a turtle. Oh, wait, he's a tortoise. Now say this out loud. Big, small, fast, slow, easy, hard. Great job. Now comment the opposite of dark below. And boom, you just learned what opposites mean. Follow for more tips and bye bye.